Hello, everyone.
Hello, Matthieu.
Hello. So I'm presenting today our company Magma. We are a platform designed for real estate. So as you know, real estate is a very old industry, very outdated in terms of digitization. But change is coming. Where? Okay. Change is coming, and the industry is ripe for digital transformation. There is a lot of pressure from real estate company to for compliance for ESG standard and reporting, and owners are facing a risk for not disclosing the energy performance of the building, for instance, or the CO2.
Give your attention and love to the speaker, dear friends.
So owners of buildings are facing new regulation that force them for compliance for energy performance, CO2 emission, sustainable development of real estate. Also, they are facing financial bottlenecks when it comes to financing the buildings. They have to always report of the state of the asset. They have to show in what state the equipment are, the building is, for audits, for lenders, for new buyers. So they need to keep a constant track of the state of their building. So we see also an acceleration of Web3 and tokenization, which is a verifiable assets, verifiable data on chain. And industry is getting ready with a lot of prop tech coming from the market, in the market. And we see digital tools like Magma that are used to de-risk real estate assets. And big market players like BlackRock, GLL, Boston Consulting Group all agree that tokenization and digitization is coming into the market. So we believe that data is key to real estate agility, and so we are a full aggregation platform, full scope aggregation platform and authentication of data for buildings, and we are transforming building into agile digital assets. How we do that? We create a unique digital asset that is called the digital twin token. So we create a digital twin, a replica of the building, and we connect to all the systems of the building. So that way we can capture all the data, architectural data, operational, financial, regulatory. We store it in the servers, but we keep a proof on chain. So the blockchain provides immutability and traceability of the data. So we can provide sort of a notarization of the documentation of the document, and we provide access through 3 interoperable environments. So it becomes a trustworthy asset that you can plug to lenders, insurance companies, and so on. And it leads to data-driven decision, and it's highly customizable. Each real estate company can customize their digital twin token, and there can be a digital twin token by region. There will be one for UAE, there will be one for our GCC, there will be one for USA, there will be one for Europe. So how we do that? We provide 3 environments. Think of us like it's a Web 2 part that is like a cloud for your building. So we provide 3 environments, 1 data room, all the documentation from your building, architectural, financial, technical, all the information is classified by category and stored. Then you have an environment which is more technical for the engineers, the architects, the service providers that are more technical. They will use what's called the BIM, Building Information Modeling. Then we connect with that environment to the systems of the building, the sensors, the energy management systems, all the asset management and property management system of the building. We collect all that data. And then we have a third environment which is user-friendly, very intuitive, for the tenants or for people that is not tech savvy. He has a picturesque environment. He can navigate the building, click on an object, know what it's about, and get information from it. And through those 3 environments, what we do, we produce a digital asset. Those 3 environments will be used to mint a digital asset. We believe that this will become the next big thing in real estate, where all the buildings can mint and provide data, and the more data they provide, the more sustainable they are, the more they can prove that they can lower the energy consumption or the CO2 emission or provide more services, the better is the asset, the more worse is the asset. So it provides a programmable digital asset representing real-time and static data from the building, and it becomes a data marketplace. Now you can monetize your data because it's organized, so you can have software that do queries for roofing, for air conditioning, for windows. So you can have all service providers querying data from that system. So that's our position in the tokenization stack. Most of the company focus on the ownership of the building. We focus on the building itself. We can connect to them. We can connect to the Propis of the world, the block squares, and others to feed them with data from the building. So we are an infrastructure for data for building. This is a market of 326 trillion. This is the largest asset class in the world. And you see a lot of smart building, fintech, prop tech coming into the market. These companies will feed us. They will feed our digital assets. We project 5,000 buildings under management by within the next 5 years. Our income source are the fees for creating the digital asset, the fees for creating the digital twin. Once you have it, it's for life. And then the subscription fee and the data marketplace, which is monetization of data. We are present in France, Florida, UAE. We have already over 50 million under management and growing very fast. And so we're looking for smart capital. That means capital that can help us deploy our solution in as many buildings as possible in those 3 regions. So if you are interested, happy to talk to you. Thank you, Gordon. Thank you, everyone, for listening to me.
Good job.